If you happen to be in South Africa, especially in the northern part of the country, you'll hear people greeting each other in Xitsonga. It's time to learn how to greet in Xitsonga. Let's start with Shewani. Shewani simply means hello. It can be used at any time of the day, not to be confused with Abusheni. Abusheni simply means good morning. It can only be used in the morning. Only in the morning. While Inhlikani simply means good day or good afternoon, and it can be used during the day or in the afternoon. Riperile means good evening or good night. It can only be used in the evening or at night. Kunjani. Kunjani means how are you? You have to respond and say Nzipfukile kunjani wena, meaning I am fine and how are you? And you'll respond and say Nzipfukile. Nzipfukile means I am fine. That's it. I hope you find this very useful.